you know what? I'm glad you're here today, because today I'm going to school you on a pack out. What's a pack out? Thank you for asking. Finally, somebody asked me what a pack out is. A pack out is anytime we remove contents from a customer's property. So this particular pack out today is a garage fire. And obviously in a garage fire, you're gonna have some things that are damaged, right? So we'll take all those damaged things and we will photo inventory every single one of them. Then we will determine whether they are salvageable or unsalvageable. If they are salvageable, we'll box them up, take them back to our facility, and run them through the fire line where we clean them. So if you have a loss like this, if you need cleaning done, it's very simple. You just call 920-2-AQUIRE.